Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have exponential expression we need to simplify. We are supposed to simplify 6 power x minus 1 over 36 power x minus 1. When we look to the denominator closely, we can see that there is difference of two squares. That is 6 power x minus 1 over 36. 36, I'm going to put it as 6 square power x then minus 1, 6 power x minus 1 over, I'm going to exchange the power, I'll put x in and 2 out, that is going to be 6 power x square minus 1, but 1 I can put it as square, it's not going to change any meaning, it's the same as 1. The denominator is already in the form of difference of two squares, that is a square minus b square. This is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So this is the same as 6 power x minus 1 over, the denominator is in the form of difference of two squares. I'm going to use this formula. This is going to be 6 power x minus 1, 6 power x plus 1. We can simplify 6 power x minus 1 and 6 power x minus 1 to the denominator. So we can simplify this. We are going to remain with 1 over 6 power x plus 1. So our simplified answer is 1 over 6 power x plus 1. I hope you understand how to simplify this exponential expression. For more video on exponents, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.